Hi students, welcome to Smart Class. In this video, I would like to explain another important table related question. Okay, students, you can find this question, this table in last year question paper, that is 2019 question paper. This is sixth question in 2019 question paper. This question carries 2 marks. So students, if you find this type of questions in your examination, first of all, you have to read the question, the table 2 times thoroughly, and after that, you have to try to answer the questions. Okay, now let us observe the table. So observe the following table and answer the questions. And below the table, there are 2 questions. Question A, what is meant by cardiac cycle? And question B, write relation between the weight of the heart and heartbeat. So if you observe the table, so name of the animal, weight of body, weight of heart, and number of heartbeats per minute. So first animal name, blue whale. The body weight is 1,50,000 kgs nearly, and blue whale heart weight is nearly 750 kgs, and number of heartbeats per minute is 7. And come to the next animal, that is the second one, elephant, and its body weight is nearly 3000 kgs, and heart weight of elephant is nearly 12 to 21 kgs, and number of heartbeats in elephant per minute is 46. And come to humans, that is man, body weight is nearly 60 to 70 kgs, and heart weight nearly 300 grams, and number of heartbeats per minute is 76. And come to the very small little bird, coiled bird, and its body weight is 8 grams, and its heart weight is just 0.15 grams, and number of heartbeats in this bird per minute is 1200 times. Okay, this is the table. And students, if you observe the table, body weight decreases from blue whale to coiled bird, so that heart weights also decreases, and heart rate decreases, number of heartbeats per minute also increase. So that is the relation between heart rate and number of heartbeats per minute. If heart rate is more, number of heartbeats minimum less. If heart weight is very less, number of heartbeats more. So heart rate decreases, heartbeats increase. So that is the relation between heart rate and number of heartbeats per minute. Okay. Students, you can also find this table in your textbook, page number 59. Now come to questions. Question A. What is meant by cardiac cycle? So students, cardiac means heart. So the term cardiac relates to heart. So what is cardiac cycle? Students, observe this diagram. These upper chambers are atria, and these lower chambers are ventricles. Okay. So if you observe the heart, the contractions and relaxations are going on continuously. So one contraction and one relaxation in atria and ventricles is called one cardiac cycle. Okay. So that is question A, cardiac cycle. One contraction, one relaxation. in atria and ventricles. That is called cardiac cycle. And question B, write relation between the weight of the heart and heartbeat. So observe this table. So weight of the heart decreases, number of heartbeats increases. So that is the relation between weight of the heart and number of heartbeats. Weight of the heart decrease, number of heartbeats increase. Okay. So this is a very important question. So in this way you may get this type of questions in your examinations. If you get this type of questions, first of all you have to read the table and questions thoroughly twice, and then only you have to try to answer the questions. Okay, practice more tables and get good marks. All the best. Thank you very much.